Welcome to another Jonny Bongoes maths tutorial, and in this session we're going to be looking at finding the area of rectangles by using a formula. Welcome to another JonnyBongos.com tutorial. In this session we're going to be investigating the area of 2D shapes. Now in front of us we can see the outline of a rectangle. We know it's a rectangle because firstly it has 4 sides. It also has 4 corners which happen to be right angles. And if we look at the opposite sides, they are parallel. So this right hand side and that left hand side are both parallel. And the little mark that you can see, the line across, shows that both of those sides are the same length. And if we look at the top and the bottom, you can see that they're parallel as well. And the 2 lines show that they are going to be the same length. So we know that we're looking at a rectangle with this. Now we know that the properties of a rectangle are opposite sides are the same length. So we're going to be looking at using our area formula now to find the area. And of course the area of this shape is this section in the middle. So in order for us to find this out, we need to find out a couple of measurements. Because our formula that we're going to be using today is area equals length multiplied by width. And we'll sometimes see this written as area equals L times W. So the first thing that we need to do to find out how to solve this is to replace these words and these letters with the units that we want to use. So our length is going along here, and I'm going to label this L. And our width goes along here, which I will label W. Now we're going to replace those letters from the formula with the units that we're going to create now. So my length is simply going to be 3, and our width is going to be 7. So in order for us to find the area of this rectangle now, we simply need to multiply 3 by 7. And my mental maths, it tells me that will be 21. So we have done our working out to find the area, but we haven't actually finished the answer yet. Because for this, 21 would not be right. As we haven't been given units, I'm simply going to write units. And if we remember back to when we counted squares, it's going to be units squared. So no matter what number I choose, I can replace the L and W. And whatever unit it is, I simply write it at the end and make it squared. So let's quickly recap on that. So we had our formula, which in this case was area equals length multiplied by width. And as this is a rectangle, we knew that opposite sides equaled the same, so we knew that we would find the actual space inside. And we firstly found our length, and this length is going to be 3 meters, and we found our width. And I'm going to have this as 8 meters. So now our formula gets changed because the area equals the length, which is 3 meters, multiplied by the width, which is 8 meters, and we have to calculate that to find our area. In this case, 3 times 8 gives me an answer of 24. And remember, to answer fully we use our units and we say squared. So this rectangle is 24 meters squared.